Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform initial setup on your Hisense Smart TV. So once you plug in the TV cable to the outlet, you'll see this screen suggesting you to select the language. You can navigate in this menu using arrow keys, and to select, press OK button. So I'm gonna select English. Now select your location. The same way, press OK button to confirm. Then you can select channel scan to set up to tune satellite cable or aerial services if you want to. If you do not want to use these services, you have to scroll down to skip and then press OK button. In this case, I'm gonna skip this step by pressing OK on skip, and then you're gonna have to connect to the internet. So just select the network that you want to connect to, press OK, and then enter the password. You can navigate in the on the keyboard in the same way you did on the language and region list. The difference is that you can use left and right arrow keys. So this way, just provide the password to your network. And once you enter the password, use the top arrow key to navigate here. And then once again, use navigating with arrow keys, select connect. Then wait until you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. Tap OK. Then select the agree to privacy policy, and user license agreements, enhance the viewing services, and allow data sharing to see ads relevant to you. You don't have to select all of them. The last one is optional, and this one I think too. So once you make all the selections, and once you hit all the checkboxes that you need, tap OK and continue. Then select yes. Then you're gonna have to enter the postcode. Select enter button and press OK. Then you're gonna have to sign into your VIDAA account, or if you can skip this step by pressing skip. Let's actually create an account. So let's select sign in / create account, then provide your email, or you can scan the QR code you can see in front of you using the smart device to sign in with email or third-party account. If you want to do everything manually, let's and provide the email here. Give me a moment. And once you enter the email, select next button, press OK. Then the verification code will be sent to your email, and you're gonna have to provide it into this field. So now let me check for the verification code, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so enter your verification code from the email, then select the enter icon and press OK. Okay, now provide the name for your account. Select enter. Then you can pick any profile image that you like, from emojis, emotion doodles, portraits. I like this one, for example. Then press OK. Then select your content preferences. And select confirm. Then select your account. Select the name for your TV by the room where you're using it. Press OK. And then you can set up any additional accounts like Netflix or Apple Airplay or the VIDAA. Okay, and now you're fully set up. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.